Alright, here's a very short video of simply how to apply chain lube to your chain properly. So first decide if you need to use wet chain lube or dry chain lube. Typically dry you're going to use the most. Wet is just typically for wet conditions. You know, you're riding in the rain, snow, very muddy, whatever. This will help protect your chain. This one comes out as a liquid but will dry off, and then it'll just leave like a very thin film on the chain, so that way great for dust not being able to stay on the chain, sand, whatever. Keeps the chain nice and clean on dry conditions. So the application process exactly the same whether dry or wet lube, doesn't matter. I'm going to be using dry since I'm riding tomorrow and it's going to be sunny, so I'm sticking with this. Give it a good shake. All you need to do is lube up at the bottom of the chain, so as it goes around the gears, that's really the only contact point you have with your gears. So as long as you lube up these nicely, you're good to go. This one, lube up the whole chain, let it dry for about 5 minutes. If you have any excess, you can wipe it off, but usually with this product I've lubed it on, gave it a couple turns, waited 5 minutes, and it was ready to go. So a good little trick is find your master link right here. This way you can reference it. So starting at the master link, one hand on the pedals so I can crank backwards, and let's start. Nice smooth pace. And you're waiting until you reach the master link again. There we go. Just past the master link. All I'm gonna do now, give it a couple turns. So you could even do this right before the trails. Definitely as you unpack your bike from your car, give it a quick lube. While you get your gear ready, chain will be ready to go. So I'll leave a description down below for this product. I like using the WPL. I've been using their dry lube for quite some time now, and I really like it. Keeps the chain nice and clean. I've used it in extremely sandy conditions, and the sand has never stuck on the chain, which is nice. It keeps it super clean, very smooth shifting. So I really like this stuff. Definitely recommend it. So if you can get your hands on this, definitely give it a try and see what you think.